Hello everyone, this is Shipra Ernest and welcome to Code Decode. So in this video we are going to learn how to rotate a list. Problem statement states, given the head of a linked list, rotate the list to the right by k places. So basically we have been given an input of linked list and we need to make sure that we rotate the list to the right side by k places. For example, so over here our b has been given as 2. Our b is none other than k, so we will need to move right side 2 times and then return that particular linked list. Let me explain it to you. So whenever b is equal to 1, our linked list will look something like this because it has turned towards right once. So when b is equal to 2, it will move towards right once again and it will look something like this. Both the iterations have been completed, so our output will be 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Now our approach will look something like this. First, what we are actually going to do is that we are going to traverse through the entire linked list and count the number of nodes that are present in the linked list. Later we are going to take the value of b and we'll be assigning it the value of remainder of our nodes. So we'll be traversing through the linked list using the current variable and we'll be assigning current.next to the head element so that we form a circular linked list. Now why are we forming a circular linked list? We are forming a circular linked list so that we do not lose connection between nodes 5 and 1. Once the connection has been formed and we get the value of b, the next step is to reassign the value of our current element to our head node, and once that is also done, we'll be iterating through our linked list exactly b times, which is 2 times in this particular case. Once we iterate twice through this linked list, our current element will be over here and we'll be assigning our head node to current.next, which is 4. And then finally we'll be assigning the value of current.next to null. So once I code it out for you, you will be able to understand it in a much more better way. Let's do that. Before we actually get started, let's take care of the base cases. Let our a is equal to null or a.next is equal to null or our b is equal to 0. If that's the case, then we will be returning our head. Once base case is completed, let's take an integer variable named n, creating a list node named current and assigning it our head element. Let's take a for loop and iterate throughout our linked list. So we are iterating throughout the linked list. Current is equal to current.next. So since in this particular question we have 5 nodes, our current element will be returning n is equal to 5. Let's assign our current.next is equal to head so that we form a circular linked list in order to avoid breaking of the connection. Once that is done, b is equal to me modulo n. Let's reassign the value of our current element with a, which is our head element. Now we are at the beginning of the linked list. We will be iterating through the linked list exactly b number of times. It is twice in this particular case. So for of int I is equal to 1, I is less than n minus b, which is 2 times I plus plus. Current is equal to current.next. We will be assigning the value of our head current.next. Once that is done, we'll be assigning our current.next null. Finally, we'll be returning the head of our newly formed linked list, which will yield our rotated linked list. So yes, this is how we rotate our linked list in OAuth in time complexity. That's it for today. If you did like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and have a great day. Bye.